What? Stays, what's good? Today we're back with Stray Kids and we have 5 solo videos to watch. That's right, because we actually have Hyunjin with Quill Pen, which came out just as another track. I don't know if this was part of the album or if this was... We'll figure it out as we go, guys. But point is, we do have all of these solo videos to check out and can't wait to. So let's get into it without further ado. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, you can check out our playlist with the Stray Kids reactions. We did do the previous solos, so if you're looking for that, you can go there. Welcome to 2025, y'all. I hope you guys have an amazing year. This is the first video I'm filming in the new year, and starting off right, if I do say so myself. So let's get into this, guys. I hope you like my new setup as well. I gotta get some Stray Kids merch for next year. So if anybody wants to send me it, I do have a I have a virtual mailbox you can send it to. Link will be in the description, guys. But anyways, let's just get into it. Stray Kids, Han, Hyunjin, Changbin, Lino, BANGCHAN, and another Hyunjin. We're also going to be checking out, let me switch over actually. As you can see here, we're going to be checking out the full set they did at the Music Bank Global Festival in Japan, and Hyunjin has shaved his head. What an icon. So yeah, we're going to go check that out. If you want to, come check out the Patreon. Alright, let's go. We're just going to go in order of release date. So this one came out first. It's Han with Hold My Hand. I haven't heard these songs yet. I've been holding off to watch it with Stay over here. Lyrics by Han, SeatinReacts, Vendors. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. It's kind of giving J-pop or like anime. 무고한 I like how the drums have just been like coming in and out. Smile. Let's go. Kind of like pop funky, but he suits the style so well. Oh, straight up, I mean. I love the fashion. Oh, this is so good. I love his pre-chorus. Oh, I love the effects. Man, I love this. I think this might be my favorite Stray Kids project in a long time. Nice. Oh, that was awesome. Wow, I'm loving the route that they're going. Each individual is just standing out in the best way possible, man. Seriously, in terms of B-sides, this has been like my favorite project so far. And we're not even halfway through, but like if it's, I just love every track. I think what more can I say, man? I just love it. I think it's perfect for him. The pop punk kind of style. I've been telling y'all, like, I feel like pop punk is coming back this year. I have a feeling we're gonna get a lot more style like this. And I hope my genre is correct in but yeah, it started off kind of, I thought it was like an anime intro kind of vibe in the beginning, and then as the song kind of came on, I mean, his like, even his like aesthetic and everything, I feel like I mean, this is what I grew up with, right? So this is what I was saying with like Felix is Unfair. I think it's perfect. I want to hear more of this because this is great, and Han is just a perfect person to experiment with this style. So can't wait to see more of this, please. Thank you. All right, starting off strong, y'all. Han, hold my hand. Let's move on to Hyunjin with So Good. I don't know what he's gonna give us. It's always a dangerous game when it comes to Hyunjin. We know this. Let's just click play and figure it out. 3, 2, 1, boom. He could go so much. I don't know. Let me check out the credits really quick. Lyrics Hyunjin, composed by Hyunjin, Joha, and arranged by Joha. Does Hyunjin, I mean, he usually writes his raps, but like, has he ever composed songs? I'm sure he has, but I'm curious if this is one of his first. I don't know. Recommend them in the comments what I should check out from Hyunjin, if he has done that before. Your sayings. Ooh. A little hip adjustment. That lunch menu, he's gonna eat them all up. All the haters. He's talking his shit. Oh, the choreography is really cool. I need a break. I need a break. We have to restart this because, like, with these like longer videos, I don't have time to talk about everything. This is so good. Hyunjin, I have to say this every time. How does somebody be so beautiful but also so cool at the same time? Like, I don't understand. He should be studied in a museum. This is a great song so far. I'm stalling because this is really cool. I love all the choreography as well. Crop top is out. Yeah. Gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. We need a dance practice for a bunch of these actually. He has like all the piercings and everything, but like the long hair, he's beautiful. Nails. I love this outfit. The eyeliner. What a beautiful man. That toe tap. Oh my gosh, the footwork. Nice camera work. That move. Oh, he's killing us today. When does he not? Wow, look at that. Teamwork. Oh, this is like... God, bro. So, this is gonna go viral, right? Okay, more. More death. Oh. He wasn't gonna wait for Artist of the Month to hit him up again.
Life is so. Hey.
The tempo change? Who told Hyunjin he could just have a solo debut on a Stray Kids project? What the heck? No way. No way! Hyunjin just had his solo debut, if you ask me. What the heck? No, this was like... This could have easily been a solo debut. This is so good. Bro, like, he's just catching me with the puns, bro. I didn't even try. I'm not ready to move on. Can we get, like... We need a live stage, like we need performance video so I can talk more about it in the dance practice. Like, gosh, this is gonna be a long video. Give me a long video. Let me switch over. Like, this is crazy. This is not supposed to happen today. Hello, hold in midair. He captures so many colors of his voice in this one, and just like all the styles. And I don't know, man. This outfit is, I need to buy this. I could not pull it off like him, but I have to try, bro. Like, I need to, like, man. Jeez. What an icon. Should I be my bias? I think Hyunjin might be my bias. The more I watch, I'm like... Oh, that stage that must have died. Smile. Look how he's sitting all his movement. I don't know about falling down. Bro, relax! This is supposed to be a B-side, not a solo debut. But I'm not complaining. Actually, one more time for that move. I like his voice right there. You don't know, I don't know either. It's such a laid-back, chill vibe, but it's in your face at the same time. That little texture move. And his is confidence and eyes and everything. Confidence, not just the eyes, everywhere. Relax, brother. He said, I'm making babies. He's got a parasite in him and it's coming out from.
Yeah, life is so.
Jump through a portal.
Hey.
Love the tempo switch up, and then he's. Man, who choreographed this? This little little snaky snake on that instrumental is really sick.
Yeah, life is so.
Yeah, they so. So strong. Man, he's such an inspiring artist. Like, I can't believe it. Little hype up moment. I know no one's gonna complain about me going back and watching it again, but if anybody is complaining, I'm not sorry. Like, we had to do it. We had to do it, y'all. We had to go back, and because like this was too good. Like, he needs to chill. He needs to chill. Let's move on. We gotta check out the other ones, man. We have Changbin next with Ultra. Let's just go. Great project. Oh my gosh, bro. This whole album. Matrix, what's going on? And also my volume is not loud enough, bro. Let me turn on my volume. It's on. Let me turn this up on my headphones then, I guess. Laugh is so good. Laugh is so good. Don't make me edit this part out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. Why am I muting it? Alright, alright. That last one just threw me off. Alright. Credits. Changbin, of course. Composed by Changbin, Restart, Chae Gang-hae. Arranged by Restart, Chae Gang-hae. Alright. What was your favorite solo? Let me know in the comments. Oh my gosh, bro. Getting some serious vibes. Changbin! What? I wasn't expecting this. He is my favorite rapper. I was gonna say, he might be one of my favorite rappers just in general. He's so freaking talented. This is so good. It's so epic. In the rain with the choreo. Changbin. Changbin. Main dancer Changbin today. Don't be doing all that. Oh man, I also like the saturation on that. What is this reference? Giant? Shout out to Giant. Y'all can't be doing this to me, man. They all debuted today as soloists. What? No. No, what? That was 2.5 minutes? This was fantastic. Bro. This is so good. Yes! More! More! It's like such a good day for music. Oh my gosh. This was so impressive, Changbin. Like, I didn't expect them to go this route, but like, again, they just find a way to break their own boundaries and like do stuff that I didn't expect them to do, but like it makes so much sense that he would go this route. This is incredible. His rap flow in this and like the choreo, like I need dance practices for all of these. Like, how are y'all gonna make all this content? Please make sure you rest. I thought y'all were touring, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna get to see this live. I'm gonna get to see this live. This is crazy. Man, we can't be watching everything twice. Like, I need to. There's so much stuff I gotta do still. But I gotta like. Let's just go back there. I thought it was a Matrix reference because of all the green, but I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, and he's like injecting. Like the Ultra. I love it. Here we go. Let's go. Hard like a little ant. And the crump step. Ah, this is so good. I can't believe it ends there though, bro. Like I was ready for another like minute, like a bridge into it. But like it's like enough, but it leaves you wanting more, you know what I mean? Like holy. That's crazy, man. Oh, I'm having so much fun with this. Alright, we gotta move on though. We still have a few more to go. Lino is up next. Danke, BANGCHAN, and Lino lyrics. Ans, Take a Chance. Back Bear, not Black Bear. Take a Chance. Celatron, Decade Plus. Same with the Rangers. Okay, let's go, Lino. What do you got? What do you got? Youth. Let's go.
Now why? Here is B.
What a beautiful man. Upbeat? Adorable.
Time to get this party started now. Oh wait, 세상에 힘껏 두 발 끝을 내디딘 다음 나나나나나 right now.
Completely different. That guy looks like Hyunjin. What is this video? Vocals? Oh my god! This album is so good. Reclaim your youth. Bro, I can't get over how handsome he is. Relax. What are you scheming? He's trying to find the you. He's trying to find you. Wait, wasn't it a reference to the case? Weren't they trying to find you in... Let me shut up. You got it. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah. Tell him. Oh, I love this. Bro, they are just killing this. What was the other word? Lino or youth and yeah, Lino. Oh, okay. So there was Lino already completed, and then putting the U there, adding U. That's the equation that they're completing, or that he's complete. That was That was so good. He looked amazing, and the song was so unexpected too. But it's a ball of bright energy, just like Lino is, bro. No, but this song is so good too. Like it's not even like actually I would say it is my taste, honestly. If they're gonna go like a cute concept like this, I like just like all the instrumentation and everything. And all the switch ups are really nice in this one. So man, I'm really just like this is so fun. This is so fun. They should be so proud of this one. I mean, I'm sure they are. And I'm sure Stay is loving this too because okay, why is this rated 15, bro? So half of them are killing us and half of them are melting our heart. I mean, if that isn't Stray Kids encapsulated in one sentence, I mean, Railway. What the heck? What are we doing, BANGCHAN? Man. Are you a zombie? This is so epic. Who was that? Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. What in the weekend? Take it, this is one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto them railings. It's obvious, but something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. What? Take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Oh my god, his acting is so good. This song is sexy and dark. It's a fucking movie! So he's a zombie too, but he's like, even, I don't, oh my god. Wow. The outfit? Going back in time? Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Nope. Nope. You and me. Is that himself? Yeah. Is he burying himself? Oh, this is epic! This song! Are they one now? Is he half human, half zombie? What is this movie and where can I buy tickets? Because everywhere all around the person you make so good stay, bro. I haven't said that all video. I think I've been skipping the outro. Oh my. What a freaking masterpiece. This whole album. Oh my gosh. So many different colors with this one. Literally all solo debuts. Like they have all officially debuted as soloists. But they still have them together on a project. Like this is ridiculous. This is seriously like their, I don't know, this might be their best album. I haven't felt this way about any, like I've always loved every album, but this one just feels different, man. Like I don't know. Am I just like really like invested in this group now or something? Or like I don't know what happened, but like this is like their best project, is it not? Even like Bounce Back and You were also freaking phenomenal. This is so good. Someone says, why do I have a feeling that behind the scenes he was laughing a lot and being unserious? Mr. Chan, okay? Christopher, my fellow 97 liner. You should be so freaking proud of this one, man. Everybody, as a leader of the group, y'all just like, it's album of the year, and it's not even, it's, can I just call it like album of the year for 2025, like just in advance? Like I know it's 20, I know this came out in 2024, but can I give it like an honorable mention as like, man, this is crazy. So now we've heard the whole album, I believe. This is phenomenal. This is so good. I love the concept in this one. What exactly happened? You guys are gonna have to break it down for me. But if I wasn't invested, I mean, if you couldn't tell, I was invested in this. Like I'm investing. I'm in the stock market of Stray Kids and BANGCHAN. This is phenomenal. What a way to end off the solos videos. We still got one more to go. Don't get it twisted. But this is Stray Kids record. But for the album, we are done, guys. Oh my goodness. I need live stages. I need dance practices. But I need y'all to rest because y'all are working way too hard for us. What? See you guys on tour. I can't wait. That was incredible. All right, let's move on for the last video. Maybe I should have started with Quill Pen because no video for this one, but I don't know what to expect with this one. Let's just go. Nakso-dan. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh, I love the instruments. Do we have lyrics? I think we do. Oh, nice. Oh my god. Just for this, Hyunjin, you are the bias for today. We'll talk about it after this chorus. Cry, man. Oh my gosh. An experience. With the whistling. I'ma cry to this song when I'm feeling sad, for real. On the real. All my sad boys, sad girls, sad envies, where y'all at? This was fucking amazing. Let me tell you why. They keep surprising me, man. They keep surprising me. This is like straight up. I've been listening to. I don't know how to pronounce the name. It's either David or D4VD, whatever that guy is. This is straight up what I've been listening to whenever I'm sad. Okay, and I listen to strictly like it's either Keshi or it's D4VD, and now I have this song. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm so happy with this. Like I can't tell you. Like this is exactly what I listen to when it's like not K-pop. It's either R&B, Summer Walker, Janae Aiko, some Ariana Grande, every once in a while, or it's stuff like this. So it's just like these really like low key, just like late night cry session songs. This is amazing. The lyrics are beautiful. It's simple. Like I don't know exactly what the Korean phrase is, but it's like I think it's like "그런 데 왜" or something like why did you like? It's just so like nostalgic and so like oh, it just gets me in my feels, man. I love it. I love it. This is a highlight. This is so oh my gosh. I'm adding all of these songs. I'm playing them every day from now on. This is so good. Oh my. All right, we're gonna end the video here. If you want to check out more Stray Kids with me, we're gonna be watching their full set of 2024 Music Bank Global Festival in Japan. We've also checked out some other stages from this event, as well as Mama and MMA. Of course, Stray Kids did not perform, from what I gather, at either of those events, but they did perform at this, so we're going to check that out. But if you are interested in Mama and MMA and also this Global Festival, you can check out my reactions on Patreon. Link is in the description. I'd really appreciate it. But wow, what a way to start off 2025. First video I filmed this year, and if this is what we're gonna get this year, man, we're in for a crazy year. Everybody, have an amazing one. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All right? Peace!